Hello everyone. It's been a bit and I wanted to get on today to share with you a moment of taking a walk and being out in nature. No matter where you are, no matter where you live, you can find all kinds of ways to center yourself and be aligned with those beautiful forces that give us life energy when we're out in nature, whether it's the trees, whether it's the grasses that we walk upon, whether it's the paved walkways in a busy city with skyscrapers all around. Still, there are these nooks and crannies that we can find. We can get our respite, our restorative energy, and be rejuvenated for all the tasks at hand. You know, in these times that we're living in right now, a lot of people experience stress. And stress is a signal, an indicator for us, and what we can be doing to stop, breathe, take in the moment, be able to stay in that moment, which is embracing it, and then be able to move through it. It's a flow of life, like a river current. So today, I'm being conscious and mindful as I take these steps, and I breathe in deep, and I feel steady upon the ground. I open myself to the wonder around me, like the geese out here. Let's see if I can get that switched over to, maybe not. I'll do it this way. Maybe you can see all the geese behind me. And maybe it is something new that I see happening, transforming with the leaves falling. Just these little subtle changes. And this way that we connect with life around us. So today, I'm hoping that you're finding the restorative ways to maximize and focus your energy for the constructive tasks at hand that you have before you, and that you find opportunities like a nature walk, like time to be still, to be aligned in your own self, and to meet that courageously and boldly wherever you are, for all that your life journey calls you to. Blessings upon your day.